Environmental Science, LaSalle. I am here in the classroom all alone. Just came in to feed Crimson and check on all the animals and stuff, and I thought I'd show you how sad and lonely it is in here without you guys. I want to try to help with that greenhouse project that you guys are working with. So let's go outside and record some data for the greenhouse experiment, which is still ongoing. The plants continue to grow and sprout. So let's go see what we've got out there. Oh, so sunny. Beautiful day. Definitely hope that you guys have a chance to go outside today. Okay, going into the greenhouse. So for those of you who have not been working on this project, let me give you a quick overview here. So here's our greenhouse experiment. We collected some soils from two different locations, from the lowland where it's really low and wet, and you can see that the soils there look kind of chunky because they've got a lot of clay and muck and stuff. And then from farther upland, those soils are a little smoother. And then we're giving them two treatments. This is our flood treatment. So these plants are going to be really wet all the time. And then we have these plants over here that we're calling this field capacity. So these are plants that are in perfect water conditions, not too wet and not too dry. Okay, so we just brought these soils in, we started watering them, and this is all the stuff that that's sprouted in them just on its own. So that's kind of cool. You guys, you brought in some dirt and you're like, great, dirt. But then look what happened. The miracle of life. So let's check out. We've got some grasses. We've got a lot of this thing. It's kind of, you can see it's kind of fuzzy. No doubt there's some more of it. No doubt it's some kind of horrible weed that we're not going to like. This you might recognize. This is very similar to a dandelion. What else? Oh, here's a little clover. You recognize that. Oh, I thought I saw, yeah, here we go. Right here, there's a little thistle coming up. So that's probably a Canadian thistle. It's probably gonna grow and like take over the whole entire pot, and we will hate it. But you guys, what I really wanted to show you was this really cool plant, very unique, that is coming up in our lowland soils. So let's take a look here. Here's the biggest one. This guy right here. I don't know if you can recognize this plant. This is a horsetail. It is a very unique plant. Here's a bunch of teeny tiny ones sprouting up. It's a very unique plant because it is not a flowering plant. So horsetails are from a group of plants called the Sphenophyta, and they were the main plant on the earth during the Carboniferous period. You remember that? So they used to get, in ancient times, those little horsetails would grow big like trees with 2-foot diameters. And now they mostly just exist as these wetland plants in these really wet soils. So I was really excited to see all of these little horsetails, and I wanted to share that with you guys. So I'm gonna collect the data, write it down on my little data sheet, and I will talk to you guys soon. Bye.